All right, so today we're going to tackle a challenge that, let's be real, a lot of us face, learning English. But forget about those dusty old textbooks. We're going to explore how AI can actually become your own personal language coach. Something that makes the whole process faster, smarter, and honestly, a lot more fun. So let's dive right in.
So, let's be honest for a second, okay? Have you ever just felt stuck? You know that feeling when the grammar rules seem absolutely endless? Or maybe you just don't feel confident enough to speak out loud. Well, I'm here to tell you that is such a common feeling. You are definitely not alone in this.
But what if I told you there's a way to kind of sidestep that whole feeling of being overwhelmed? Well, that's exactly what we're digging into right now. A smarter way to learn, one that uses this incredibly powerful tool that chances are you already have right at your fingertips.
See, the goal here isn't just to work harder. It's all about learning smarter. It's about making the time you actually spend on English way more effective. And, well, that's where technology, and specifically AI, comes into play. It really offers a way to make your practice more focused, way more personal, and you know what? A whole lot less intimidating.
Okay, so when we say AI, I don't want you to picture, complicated robots or anything like that. For what we're talking about, think of AI as your own personalized learning partner. It's like having a tutor you can ask anything. For instance, you could just say, hey, give me 5 simple sentences using the word achieve, and boom, you get an instant response. It's really just a smart, simple tool to get in your daily practice, all tailored just for you.
Okay, so how does this actually work in the real world? Like, what do you do? Well, it all comes down to a really straightforward formula. So let's break down the simple, actionable steps you can start taking every single day to see some real progress.
Okay, here's the core idea. You could even call it the magic equation. AI plus simple, consistent English practice equals confidence. That's it. It is all about creating those small, daily wins that just build up and up over time into real fluency.
All right, let's break it down into 3 super simple steps. First up, you're going to partner with an AI tool for learning tips. You can ask it anything, like, hey, can you explain the difference between affect and effect like I'm 10 years old? Step 2, focus on practicing with daily sentences. We're not talking about writing complex essays here. And third, and this one is so important, keep it simple and beginner-friendly. This is all about practice, not about being perfect.
Let's just do a quick comparison. Think about traditional learning for a second. You often get these general lessons that move at a fixed pace, and it can feel, well, kind of slow, right? But with an AI-powered approach, you get daily practice sentences and personalized tips whenever you need them. And the result? You build momentum and confidence way, way faster. So, you might be wondering, is this for me? Let's talk about who can really, truly benefit from this whole AI-powered way of learning English. Well, if you're a student trying to ace your exams, this is for you. If you're a job seeker looking to boost your career prospects, this is absolutely for you. Or hey, if you're anyone who just wants to get better at speaking English out loud, then yeah, this method is designed for you. It's all about getting practical results that you can actually use in the real world. But at the end of the day, all of these steps, all these tips and daily practices, they're all building towards one single, incredibly important goal. It's really the main reason any of us are here, trying to learn this language in the first place.
And here it is. The ultimate goal is to speak English confidently. See, the real prize isn't just knowing a bunch of words. It's having the self-assurance to actually use them, to express your ideas, to have conversations, and to connect with people without that hesitation.
So, as we wrap things up, I want to leave you with a question. And forget about tomorrow or next week. What is the one small, smart step you're going to take today to start your journey towards speaking English with confidence? Because really, the power to change how you learn, it's right there at your fingertips.